I lead the data science team and projects related to predictive maintenance for the Group Engineering Center. By making use of data analysis and advanced technologies like machine learning, I connect the technical and management aspects of the businesses, effectively translating business requirements into data-driven solutions. Using predictive maintenance techniques, I assist customers across business segments like commercial aerospace, land systems, and marine to future-proof their operations by predicting equipment failures. It is truly gratifying to see the impact we can make together in optimizing maintenance processes, improving equipment reliability, and ultimately driving efficiency and cost savings. I also have the privilege of mentoring and guiding young engineers across the group. Witnessing their growth and development brings me a great sense of fulfillment.